Hello, and welcome to the second Digital Care Homes training session, starting to use your NHSmail account. This session covers how to sign into your account via a web browser or using the Outlook app, and navigating around the different functions in your account. NHSmail is a secure email service approved by the Department of Health and Social Care for communicating and sharing patient identifiable and sensitive information. There are also many benefits to having an NHSmail account, such as access to the NHS directory, free training, webinars, and discounts. You can apply for a blue light card, which provides discounts online and in many high street shops. If you do not yet have an NHSmail account, click the link on the screen for instructions on how to sign up and the form to complete. If you have signed up but not yet received your login details, contact the help desk by email or phone on the details provided. If you would like any help in signing up for an NHSmail account, please contact the Design and Learning Centre who can help in getting this sorted for you. You can access your account on the iPad by either using the web portal on an internet browser, such as Chrome or Safari, or through the Outlook app. Let's look at the web portal first, using an internet browser. Click on the web portal link at the bottom of the screen to go straight to the login screen. Or, if you'd like to access your account on a different device from what you're using now, go to your web browser and type in the search bar www.nhs.net. Then click Login in the top right corner. You'll now be at the login screen that you can see here. You may want to bookmark this page for quick access in future, and you can do this by clicking the small star icon to the right of the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter your NHS email address and password, then click Sign In. If you manually entered the NHS web address, you may then need to select Email from the blue menu at the top of the next screen. The web portal uses the Outlook web app, so you'll be prompted to re-enter your email address here and possibly your password too. Please note, if you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked to create a new password, accept a usage policy, and set some security questions. This must be done before you can use your account. You're now logged into your account, and this may look familiar if you've used Outlook before for your emails. In this view, you can see a list of your emails, and when you select one, the full email will appear in the space on the right. Let's look at the menu of small icons at the top. These include What's New, where you'll receive any reminders that you've set up. Help. This is a really good search function for help if you're not sure how to do something in your account, and you can also find the contact details for the NHSmail help desk here. Settings. This allows you to change the look and display of your account to your preference. Notifications. You receive a notification if someone has liked your email or mentioned you in a message. Calendar. A quick access to the calendar to create new or see upcoming appointments or meetings. OneNote feed. This collates all your notes from different apps, for example from Outlook Notes and Sticky Notes, bringing them together, but you may not need to use this. Chat. This is an instant messaging function, like texting, and can be used on your desktop computer or mobile device. It may open Skype or MS Teams. To the far left of this menu bar is a small grid. Click this to open different apps or to work on documents whilst signed in. Another benefit of having an NHS email account is that it gives you free access to Microsoft programs such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You'll also have free access to MS Teams, where you'll be able to easily share and collaborate on documents. We'll be covering MS Teams in our next training session. The panel on the left-hand side is where you'll navigate around your emails, for example to switch between your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and other folders you might create to organise your emails. Favourites is where all your frequently used mailboxes are, so they're easily accessible without having to scroll through all the folders. Groups lets you create a group of people you might be working with to easily set up a collection of resources to share with that group of people. Folders is your main list of mailboxes and folders, including the usual like your inbox, sent mail, and drafts, but also any folders you have created to help organise your email messages. In-place archiving provides additional mailbox storage where you can also create new folders. Above this panel is the New Message button. Click here to start writing a new email. At the top of the list of your emails is a filter button. By clicking here, you can sort your emails into a new order, or you can filter them, for example, to only see the unread or flagged emails. Along the top right, you'll see your next calendar item as a reminder. To sign out of your account, click the small icon above the calendar reminder and then click Sign Out on the drop-down menu. Now let's look at accessing your account through the Outlook app on the iPad. Tap the app to open it. You'll first be prompted to add an account. Enter your nhs.net email address and then press the blue Add Account button beneath. The NHS login screen will then appear where you can enter your password and click Sign In. The app might then ask if you'd like to add another account. You can link multiple accounts to your Outlook app and switch between them within the app, but for now, just tap Maybe later. You'll then be taken to your inbox, which will begin to populate with all of your emails. Please note, in order to sign out of your emails after use, the email account would need to be deleted from the app, and the process of linking your account to the app would be repeated each time you wanted to sign in. If you do link your account, you will need to consider who else will have access to the iPad and therefore your emails. The app has a similar but simplified view from what we saw through the web portal. There is a list on the left-hand side of your emails, and when you select one, the full email will open and be displayed in the space on the right. At the bottom of the email list is the new email icon to compose a new message. The three icons in the navigation panel at the bottom of the screen will take you to your emails, which we're in now, a search function, and to access your calendar. Clicking the home icon at the top of the screen will open another menu, where you can select a different mailbox to view, for example your sent mail, drafts, or recently deleted. In this menu, the far left-hand panel displays all the accounts that are linked to the app. You can easily switch to a different account by tapping on the icon in the list. The last icon with a plus sign will take you through the steps to add another email account. Tap the small cog at the very bottom of the left panel to access the Settings menu for your account. Settings is where you can tailor the app to your own preferences across mail and your calendar, allowing you to change what information is displayed and how. You might have noticed on a previous screen at the top of the email list, there were two tabs labelled Focused and Other. The Focused Inbox setting separates your inbox into two tabs so that your most important emails from contacts you interact with regularly are on the Focused tab, while other emails, like automatically generated or bulk emails, go into the Other tab. This function can easily be turned off in settings if you'd prefer. Just scroll down to Focused Inbox and tap the radio button so that it turns grey. To delete your account after use, go into Settings and click on your mail account name. Scroll to the bottom of the next menu and tap Delete Account. This will leave the app as you found it, ready to link your account again when you next use the app. For support in accessing your NHSmail, please contact the NHSmail help desk by phone or email. The Digital Social Care website has some helpful tips and frequently asked questions, and the NHSmail training guide for care providers is a particularly good resource that is available for download. We've now reached the end of this introductory session to using your NHSmail account. As well as the resources on the previous screen, we'll add any further helpful information to our website and upload the training sessions online. But if you would like to arrange a one-to-one session, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the Design and Learning Centre, and we'd be happy to go through this with you. Thank you for watching.